In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp to manage employees and freelancers. We'll go through a simple setup that helps you organize work, assign responsibilities clearly, and keep track of progress in one place. This is especially useful if you're working with both internal team members and outside freelancers, because ClickUp gives you a flexible way to manage visibility, deadlines, and ownership. Start by logging in to ClickUp and opening the workspace where you want to manage your employees and freelancers. It's important to begin in the correct workspace, so everything stays organized from the start and your team management system lives in the right place. Once you're inside, create a new space for your team and name it Team Management. Think of this space as the main area where all team-related work will be stored. Creating a separate space helps keep employee and freelancer tasks distinct from other projects you may already have in ClickUp. Inside the Team Management space, create a list called Team Tasks. This list will act as your central task board, where you can track all the work that needs to be completed by your employees and freelancers. Next, open the Team Tasks list and click Add Task. Create a task for each piece of work that needs to be done. In ClickUp, tasks are the core building blocks of your workflow, so try to make each task clear and specific. That way the person assigned to it knows exactly what they're responsible for. After creating your tasks, open each one and click the Assign icon. Select the employee or freelancer responsible for completing that work. ClickUp allows you to assign tasks to one person, multiple people, or even a team, which gives you flexibility depending on how your work is structured. Then, open each task and set a due date. Adding due dates gives your team clear deadlines and helps prevent work from slipping through the cracks. It also makes planning and follow-up much easier. As work moves forward, update each task's status. Use the statuses in your list to reflect whether tasks are waiting, in progress, or completed. This makes it easy to understand what's happening at a glance without needing to open every task individually. To get a clearer picture of workload by person, go to the top of the Team Tasks list, click Plus View, and select Team. Team View organizes tasks by assignee, so you can quickly see what each employee or freelancer is currently working on. If you work with freelancers who should only see certain items, invite them as guests and share only the relevant folders, lists, or individual tasks. This is a great way to protect internal information while still giving freelancers the access they need to do their work. Finally, use both your Team Tasks list and Team View to review assigned work, deadlines, and progress regularly. Thanks for watching.